So we have already put our coats in here, and we have 3 of these, as well as 3 slippers. So we have this space as well. We have the security box. We got a free brush. This is a door for the connecting room, but we don't have a connecting room. And this is the room. We have a king-size bed with a pull-out bed on the other side. This is my first time seeing the bathroom. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. So this is how the shower looks. Wow. We have a coffee maker. Oh.
I bring you the water and now I go.
Thank you.
To get more information about it.
Is it okay if is it okay if I videotape?
Yes, you can take video, no problem.
Okay, this is our butler. This is Elizabeth.
Hello.
Hi.
I am happy to meet the beautiful family. I am happy to meet Naya.
My daughter.
It's very nice, very nice children, yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So she will be our butler for the whole 8 days. And she's just so lovely. She's very nice. Very, very nice. So we have a coffee maker here. And we have commodities. And we have everything we need for the 8 days. That will be refilled if we needed to. So we have coffees, spoons, bowl, plates, green teas, lemon and ginger. We have sugars, you know, all the good stuff. We have all of these. This is an ice bucket to chill whatever we have. We have chips, we have peanuts, and everything can be refilled if we ask. We just got our waters. And this is Zoe. Zoe is Bluetooth, and Zoe does everything we want. She calls the butler if we want her to call the butler. Everything you can think of. We have the mini bar, and the mini bar is free, and our mini bar is decked out, and it can be refilled if we wanted to. So this is how our mini bar looks. It's so nice. These are our key cards. Each of us have our own because it's our identity basically while we are on the cruise. So we have the credit card looking one, and then we have the watch looking one that we have to wear. We came into the room, and this is the first thing we saw. This is for my daughter. I don't know what it's for, but it's so beautiful. She hasn't had it as yet, but I'm gonna call her to eat it just now.
Thank you so much for taking.
So we have our TV with cable, obviously. Ooh, we got fresh fruit. Oh, I gotta open this, but I'm gonna open it just now. And this is what we got. So I'm gonna take you guys outside to the deck.
Hi YouTube, we on MSC and we are in the exotic area, if you please. You've seen it.
This is our balcony. It's not too small. My mom is cold. Videotape on there for me, please.
Mommy, can we have a kid?
Yes, come.
I see that.
Here, take your snowman.
Maybe waste my time in the bins provided.
You can manage it. Take this one.
Oh, baby Lord, it's not your fault.
Electrical devices. Thank you so much.
Eat, baby, eat it.
Time to watch this safety video.
Look, it has sprinkles.
Yeah.
And memorize the emergency drill procedure.
Bite it.
You'll be reassured you know what to do in case
Look, snowman happy.
Bite it.
Look, snowman
Use this
happy.
for Naya. That's the pasta.
We got Zoe connected to YouTube. Ooh. Medication. So we also have in here, we have a blow dryer. We have sewing kit. And this bag, I guess, is for laundry service. Okay. That's nice. So we have the whole itinerary of what is what and what is the price for what. So you have jackets, trousers, suit shirt, silk shirt, waistcoat, tie, socks for men. Then women is the same thing, including evening dress, scarf, dressing gown, nightgown, and then you have others, and then the prices are here. Okay, cool. That's dope. I might definitely use this sewing kit thing though.
No,